Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on using Squarespace for email marketing. Squarespace offers a range of tools to help you create and send effective email campaigns. This is a powerful platform that is going to help you create a website, and through that website you can start an email campaign. So there are only a few simple steps, like you are going to set up an email marketing in Squarespace. You are going to create an email list, design your email campaigns, and like adding in content and customizing your email. You can send and track your email campaigns or much more. So let's just get started. First thing first, you gotta make sure that your Squarespace account is active. For that, you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password and an email account. Or you can also use your Google account to sign up directly. After that, it is going to direct you to your home screen or dashboard this way. Here, if you are a newbie, you must know that you need to create a new website from where you can start an email campaign. Or if you are a previous user, you must already have created a website and it must appear here in the dashboard. So if you're a newbie, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to create a website and link your email campaigns with it. So this is create website. I'm going to click on it, and after that, you see, you got to choose that what is your site about. Let's just say mine is about technology or mine is about marketing. Let me just give it to marketing because this is email marketing and email campaign. So what do you want to do with your website? You want to promote an event or project, you want to showcase expertise, sell membership, sell product, publish a blog or other media, promote physical business, get appointments, offer a contact form, sell online courses, send invoices, sell on-demand videos, or you want to collect donation or sell services. You could choose any of these options. And the third and the most crucial, one of my favorite steps, is that how would you like to start building your website? So either you can choose a template or you can also build a template. The option of building a template is not my favorite because you gotta start something from the scratch. You must have some idea of your own, and this is much of a labor route. So I always prefer choosing a template, but you can choose the Blueprint AI as well. After that, you are going to choose one of the marketing template. Let's just say I'm choosing this one. It looks more professional. Then I'm going to be starting with the design. It is going to take a few minutes to set up things for me so that it would be easy for me to start my email marketing campaign, making that feature secure for me. Okay. So you see that it is going to help me click on this. Now you see there's an option of invoicing donations email campaign. Here you see the option of email campaign. Click on this. If you are a previous user, you must know that you can click on marketing or you can directly click on email campaign. And when you click on it, it is going to give you options whether you want the automations for submission, thank you, discount, welcome, or promotion, or newsletter. Let's just say mine is about promotion. I'm going to be clicking on this. So this is how it is going to start an email campaign for me for my email marketing. So you got to choose a template. You like this one. Then you got to change the email background. This is how you're going to add the email. Subline here. You can preview your email here. You can also make necessary changes, like it is actually unique. Let's just say it is for all the subscribers. And if it is the sender details, you can add the sender details here, like what is the name of the sender and what is the email for that sender. Okay, so after that, you can enter a legal address. You can schedule it, whether you want to set it immediately or you want to set a timer here. I would like to send it immediately. And after that, this is how you're going to set up the email. But let's just talk about the style first. font pack, you can change it from this, or I like this one. Let's just keep it here. Okay, you can change the font style, you can change font size. I would like to keep the size to minimize it. Okay, so now you can also choose the link colors. Let's just say I'm looking for this color. Okay, you can also change the side palette. I want it to be this color. So this is how you can change the colors. You can quickly match your site style. I like theme number 5 more, so let's just keep it to that. After that, like these, you are going to make some necessary changes. You can also check it out on the mobile mode, that how it is going to appear on the mobile mode. You can switch back to your desktop mode. So yeah, this is how you're going to enter the details of the sender, their legal address, and it is going to give you the option to like send the test. But since I have not entered any sender details, because this video is just for the sake of the video, so it is not allowing me to start the email campaign. So this is how you're going to promote the business, but you could also click on the welcome one, or you can go click on this create one. You can choose the template here. As I've told you guys, if I select this template, you could use this template, or again, you could change the style. You can also move the email campaigns, and yeah, you can send that email. So, you know, if you encounter the issues with email marketing in Squarespace, you can check that your email list is set up correctly and your email campaign is designed properly. So using the Squarespace for email marketing is a great way to stay connected with your audience and to promote your businesses. I hope by following these steps, you can create the effective email campaign and start your email marketing that is going to drive results. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.